Maybe you're going to a first paying photography gig, maybe you're nervous, maybe you don't know what to do, and I was just like you 10 years ago. What's up guys, my name is Yosuke Shingu, welcome back to brand new video. Today I want to talk about 3 things I wish I have learned from photography class. Number 1, have an example photo on your phone. But yes, this is very basic. And then whenever you're going to a photo shoot, you can ask client like what kind of example photo they can provide.
Well, not recreate them. This is just the style that we typically do for food. Just like one of the plate, we can put everything on the table. It doesn't have to be so elaborate, but we will have a lot of food come out.
Also, you can go to client's website page just like this, and then you can put the example photo on your phone. And this serves for different purposes. So you can show this to a client whenever you're taking photos. Ask them, say, do you like these kind of photos? And then they might say yes or no. And then also you have some photos you like. This is a reminder of like what good photography looks like. So whenever you're taking photos, you have some reference to go through from your photo. So this is very important to do it. It is very hard for you to come up with a creative or professional photo when you started. But if you have some reference to recreate those creative photos, it's not gonna be as hard as you're gonna do in the original photos. The things doing the photography, food photography is pretty good. Would you say this is cheesecake?
I mean, I don't know what else it would be. Pretty good.
Number 2, show your client what you're shooting. When you're going to a first photography paying job, and then you're gonna be nervous that night. You're gonna download the photos, you're gonna put it on Dropbox, you send it to client, you're gonna send the email, say hope you like it, and then those clients will probably not gonna respond to you for a long time, and then you're gonna be nervous if your clients like it or not. But you can avoid this by doing this. Just show the client if your client likes your photos.
Oh yeah, I like that.
That's cool.
I like that a lot.
So like we shot these kind of close up, and then this shadow stuff,
I really like those resting.
and then this different lenses.
That's a comp.
I think this is I like too, like 35, and then it's kind of wider. You have variety of options.
I like
to
that.
see.
That's
Cool.
awesome.
Awesome. If your client don't like the photos, and they can just tell you at the photo shoot. This will save your ass. For example, my client wanted to photo of the bar, entire bar of the photo. There is a customer at the bar the whole time, so I couldn't get like a very nice white shot. I show it to the client and said, is this good enough? And then she goes like, yes, this is good enough, this works for now, and then we can take it later. So whenever you go home, and then you don't have to worry about the client say, what is the photo I asked for? Because clients knows that reason you couldn't get that photo, the client won't be mad at you. So that's the most important things, that showing and then telling that you don't want to be pretending like you're getting every shot client wants. But if you explain to a client, they will listen to you. Just explain, and the communication is the key, guys. With Hannah, she does the social media management, right?
Yeah, so I actually work with Corey Hospitality, more in the marketing space, and Karsten over here does our social media.
Oh, perfect. So we're taking photo today. We're not talking about course today, but we're talking about the 3 things that photography class taught me. And then whenever you are dealing with a professional photographer for social media, what do you look for from the photographers?
Yeah, I think we look for someone that has the creative vision to kind of be flexible. In hospitality, you just never know what's going to happen. You never know what you're going to have to work with. And so a lot of times you just have to have someone that has the eye for what we need and the ability to make it happen, and the initiative to make it happen as well.
Got you. So we're talking about, you know, like things that, you know, like a little things like showing people what this looks like, you know, like you say yes or no. Is that kind of helpful for as a client's point of view?
Yes, for sure. I think anytime you're looking at marketing anything from like food to cocktails to a space, a lot of times the way you see it just from the eye isn't exactly how you want to show your guests. You need to add some styling to bring out the pieces and bring it to life a little bit. And so anytime you're able to see the progress, you can make tweaks and really kind of work in partnership with each other, which is, I think, something that we always really enjoy working with you guys. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that.
Yeah, great.
But really just working as partners and kind of playing off of your creativity as well.
Yeah, for sure. Well, guys, we go back to shooting. Tip number 3, photograph more than you think you need. You know, whenever you're starting out photography business, you're just not that good, you know? Whenever you're taking photos, you're doing the guessing work. What client likes, what you like, maybe you're shooting out of focus photos. So just take more than what you need. You know, you never know. You are paid to do the creative work. You know, you're laying down on the ground or maybe get up in the chair and shoot from up high, or getting real close-up of the food or real close-up of people or real wide shot of the building like that your client never thought of. Those are kind of things that client would love and that they never thought about, and that's the creative juice you have and the creative work you love. That's something a client is gonna value and the client's gonna pay for. So shoot more than what you think, guys, and then that is gonna be very helpful to get better as your creative process.
I like it because it's nice.
Would it look better with the finger out?
Finger out.
You want me to get mine on here, or you want me to rip open a beef bite?
Oh yeah, crack open
Rip one of the beef bites open as well?
that's a mini beef Wellington, so it has beef on the inside.
Alright guys, you saw many photos I took at the Chalkboard, Tulsa, Oklahoma. They renovated menu and the places. It is delicious. If you're ever in Tulsa area, I highly recommend it, and the link in the below. So well, that's it for guys for 3 things I wish I learned from photography class. Please like or comment on this video, and please subscribe if you haven't. I'm on the road to get 1,000 subscribers, so obviously I can get paid. Take action to fight for your best life. Peace.
I mean, if I get left alone for a day, I might be